It's literally sauna in here and we have like 6 hours, I think. I just dropped it. Chad and Jen are over there. Check out this airport though. This airport is super nice. It's fine. Here comes Colin. Gonna be in Bangkok in 7 hours, boys. Bringing him back. It's like 4 a.m. Maybe 5 a.m. No, just dip it in. How is it? It's good. Now, I want to try it. It's kind of like the. Yeah, try it. It's kind of like the chili and lime, like texture. Kind of thick. Honestly, it's really good though. This is almost gone. Find the Airbnb now? We got a lot of updating to do on the vlog, but we'll get there. Jen, how about you say this story so perfectly because it's such a shitty travel day. And Jen is just so great at just recapping stories, right?
So yesterday we got to Oman airport at 9 o'clock because we had to return the rental car and our flight was at 4 a.m. so we had to wait in the airport for 7 hours until our flight. And then we got on the flight and then it was all good. And so our flight was 1 hour. We landed in Pakistan, had a layover for 1 hour, but we stayed in the plane because I have no idea. They got gas, loaded up some more passengers, and then we flew 7 hours to Bangkok. We didn't arrive until like 5:30, and then we got on the train, met up with some people that we know here, went and got some dinner, went to NBK in Siam Paragon, the mall, got some food. And then afterward, we finally contacted our Airbnb host to find the location of it, and she was not answering any texts, any phone calls, or nothing. And it was getting pretty late at this point, so we just had to go and find a hotel room for the one night. And so it's the next day now, and she still hasn't answered, so we're just calling Airbnb and trying to get this situated and get our money back since she's never answered to us. So that's where we are now. But our first official day here in Bangkok.
Wow. Anyways, we're about to head out to the temples, I believe. We're gonna go check out all the temples. So, you guys will catch that in the next video. Until then, see ya.